Hi, this is Zak Mir with the Share Talk Bulletin Board Heroes on Monday, the 18th of June. Starting off with Batm Advanced, and good start for the beginning of the week with the push through 35 pence. The message here, as it was last week, is that at least while we're above the 30 pence zone, looking for a 50 pence target over the next month or so. Another stock which is behaving itself at the moment is Eqtec, where we've pushed well above the 1 penny level, heading for an implied move towards the 200-day moving average and the top of a rising March trend channel at 2 pence over the next few weeks. Stop loss back below 1 penny. That last peak at the beginning, or the initial peak rather, at the beginning of June, 0.94. So we shouldn't see that. Hopefully, we shouldn't see the shares back below that. Stock which has been fluttering away on Twitter this morning, Jangada Mines, gap to the upside this morning above the 200-day moving average. It adds to the positive spin after the gap above the 50-day moving average a week or so ago. The view here is we've got a best case scenario target here as high as 6 pence, especially while we hold above recent support around the 4.5 pence level. Obviously, it would be nice for the shares to stay above the 200-day line, currently at 4.56. Obviously, we are rather overbought, so a bit of consolidation expected. Be cautious on the stock, maybe wait on an end-of-day close above 5 pence, which was post-February resistance before targeting 6. On to one of today's sharp movers. It comes in the form of Koovs. Here we've had a rebound, bear trap rebound from below the 50-day moving average at 12 pence. While we're above that, we've got a best case scenario target here as high as the top of this broadening triangle at 25 pence over the next month or so, and stop loss clearly back below the 10 pence level. On to a company that's made its pact with the devil, media devil in this case, and VRS, if I can get the EPIC code right, still looking healthy. A bit of a block there at £1.40. Not surprising given the way that if we clear that, the next target up is as high as £2.10. So all to play for there. Any dips towards that old initial January peak at 122 are currently regarded as a buying opportunity as we look for a new leg to the upside. Shares which have been battered around a bit of late come in the form of Velocys. Here we had an attempt at a breakout in May, and we've struggled with a sideways shuffle since then, but mostly holding above the 50-day moving average there at 12.92 pence. And while we're above that, still a chance of a move towards the 200-day moving average at 20 pence. If you're cautious, probably you'd want to see at least a decent close above the initial June resistance at 13.95 before assuming the worst is over. Finishing off with the star of the show at the moment, and a company I should be interviewing later today, comes in the form of TERN. Here we've had the bounce off an uptrend line from March in the mid-20s, quite a sharp bounce there. Still looking for as high as 60 pence to maybe just take out that peak that we saw last week. But obviously a bit of an ice rink between, let's say, 30 and 40 pence or 30 and 50 pence at the moment. So expect it to be a bit on the volatile side. That's it from me. More updates at the same time tomorrow.